so currently we're at the bottom of the Puig Major. That's a pretty nice descent. It goes on and on. When 50k an hour feels like normal and not having to brake, you know that you've been descending for a while. Anyway, there's a little restaurant over there. Unfortunately it seems to be closed, which is a shame, so fortunately we've got our own food. We can't get any juice, any Coke, so we're just going to have to fuel up on water. There seems to be some sort of vintage rally going on today. There we are, Puig Major Revival 2018. So yeah, so a vintage car rally. There's some cars over here. We've taken a couple of pictures. We might go and get some videos of them actually while we chill out and get ready to climb back up. So we're looking at an HC climb. We've done the Sacalobra this morning, so that was our first Cat 1 climb. Now this is our first ever HC climb. I'll see you at the top and I'll tell you how I got on.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a
Hey folks, so that's the 2 climbs done. So Sacalabra and the Puig Major eastbound. Category 1, Category HC. We've done about 3,000 or so meters worth of climbing. We've been on the bike just over, touch over 5 hours. Just chilling out at a little cafe here at the turn-in between Sacalabra and the Puig. So, can of Coke, ice cream, refill the water bottles. Should be mostly downhill back to the port. The legs are goosed. Who knows what times I've done? I'm not going to know until I upload onto Strava, but great day out on the bike.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby.